a scene with some maple trees. So starting off, I'm just getting a light blue. The swatch I've chosen is a blueberry blue, and just drawing that through the center, and then I'm going to blend that out towards the top and the bottom of this canvas paper to create a very misty, natural scene. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Paint Daily. So now I'm using that large flat panel brush, and I'm just going to get a few strokes of that blue just to create where the shadow is going to fall for where the trees I'm going to create later. Now using that same blue, I'm using a fine tip rounded brush, and I'm just drawing in the most distant trees in this scene. I'm also using a little bit of black just to create that variation in the trees. It makes the trees look a bit more textured. And I'm just continuing all those trees in the background. So I'm going to continue painting all these trees until they get closer to the line of sight. dab a few of those same colours underneath the trees just to create the illusion of the shadows, and also where the tree plants fall in a swampy kind of scene. We're going to use a range of colours also to go underneath the trees just to create some dimension and also make it a little bit more interesting. So now I'm going over the trees with a bit of a black and also a bit of white to accentuate the shadows and where the light falls. So using a few colours, including a flamingo, um, a watermelon and a red, we're just going to create the foliage for the tree. So where I'm placing all these strokes is where the reflection of that foliage is, and I'm just going to go over the top of the trees where the arms are, just to create the effect of the foliage. So starting with the lightest color and also mixing it with some of the other colors, we're going to create a very subtle effect of foliage. So we had the maple leaves, so I'm also adding a second kind of type of plant in there. So I'm putting a plant that you might not be familiar. It's a bit of like a vine that grows across these maple leaves. So I've used a really bright green and also just a grass green to go over that, and it also kind of makes it a little bit more interesting. You don't have to use these colors, but I'm just using them because I guess it's more eye-catching because these two tend to be a little bit more contrasting. And you can just go over it wherever you like. For me, I'm just going over on the sides, in the middle, and here. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today, and like and subscribe for more content. I also welcome any suggestions for any upcoming tutorials, and for now, have a great day.